Well, hey, what's going on? It's almost like, well, it wasn't just nice how long ago. This is our snowstorm we're having. Pretty awesome. So, I'm gonna take a ride down the storm and we'll let you go with me. Should be fun. So, we'll see you in a minute. I gotta get this beast warmed up. Yeah, we got a little bit of snow. Just a little bit. Can you believe this? I was just metal detecting 2 days ago. Crazy. Here's what it is, like I always say. Welcome to Maine, if you don't like the weather. Wait a minute. Now, if we get up to about Mach 20, we should be able to get everything blown off. So, let's go. Doop 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 doop. Gotta get warmed up in here. So yeah, 2 days ago, I was out digging treasure, just in loving life in a t-shirt, no problems, and then today, oh, seatbelt. Today, snow. Welcome to the snow. Definitely an interesting life living in Maine, but I figured I'm going to the store, might as well bring you along. It's just amazing how things can change. And I was gonna go make some sort of other video today, but kind of hurt my back a little bit, wrenched it, so just kind of taking it easy. Gotta crank that heat up. Windshield thawed. Pretty crazy. It's the fun part, driving in the snowstorm. You get to drive it wherever you want. Probably shouldn't, but I like to drive in the middle of the road during snowstorms. Look at this, they got this all plowed. Geez, I can go 90 now. Let's do it. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, this should melt off pretty quick, but that's gonna put metal detecting on hold for a little bit. For me anyways. I would rather not metal detect frozen ground. crazy. I forgot I don't have washer fluid. Oh! Well, they got some sand down on this part of the road. Yeah, we come across that field during the snowmobile season. Oh, no wonder it's not heating up in here. It's on cold. I gotta get that big clump off the middle of the windshield. Yep, back to a winter wonderland. Gotta love it. I ain't plowing nothing because I took the plow off and I ain't putting it back on. They say it's a Fisher quick mount or whatever, Fisher quick plow or whatever, but it's a pain in the balls putting on and taking off. Taking off is not so bad, but putting it on, it never lines up right. It's always not in the right spot. I usually get it. I always just bring out a little jack and freaking it gets right where I want it. But I ain't putting it back on. Snow's going away. Oh, excuse me. All right. We've made it to the store. All right, I'm gonna go in and I'll see you on the way back. See you. All right. It's pretty cool little ride down, huh? Never would have thought it'd be snowing, huh? Yeah. Like I said, if you don't like the weather, just wait a minute, because this state is so unpredictable. But I'm gonna head home and I'm gonna put you on some time lapse. So I hope you guys enjoyed the snowstorm here. And that is what it is. I just figured I would record it, because why not? So, here we go. Well, that was the great snowstorm, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yes, I got a thing full of water that was canned by my mother. I don't want it to freeze in the truck, but that was a snowstorm. Look at it, look at it, just look at it. Hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.